I sent her to school. I paid for everything. And after she graduated, she got a job immediately overseas. I also paid for that trip. Now she's abroad and it's been almost 2 months and 2 weeks and I haven't heard from her. Hi Fizz, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. You guys, it's Sunday morning and I'm up and in the kitchen, still a bit stuffy, but I'll get past that. Baby's also really stuffy. Baby's worse than I am. Tyler is the best of the three. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. I'm in the kitchen making breakfast for the fam bam this morning. And I don't know if you guys can hear the dishwasher is also on. It's this one. The dishwasher is on because we are giving it a run before we start using it. So we did that. We're doing that. And I have a bunch of stuff to do today. But first, we have to get fuel. So let's eat some breakfast. And you guys can hear Tyler calling me. But let me show you what I'm making for breakfast this morning. Pancakes! Yay! For the win! So I'm making pancakes and baby's outside putting clothes on the line from laundry. And as you guys can see, outside is a mess. It's just a mess because we're still trying to organize. We're still trying to get things in place and together. And Tyler is around here calling me. Ty? Yes. Ty? Yes, Ty? Mama? Mama? Yes? You want ice cream? If I want the ice cream, yes. Can I have vanilla and pistachio flavor, please? Yes! Okay. He likes to play shop through this little hole of his bed. Because under his bed is so big, he can go under there and play and bring toys and whatnot. So he likes to go under there and just be himself. Look at him. Ooh, that's my ice cream coming. I'm waiting on my ice cream. I'm hungry, hurry. Hurry, Tyler, Mama have pot on the stove. Ooh, that's my ice cream? Yes. Thank you. Bye. Bye. You guys, you see my ice cream? It's in a nice little cup too. You know, he's something else. Anyway, you guys, I'm going back to make these pancakes and some eggs and probably even some plantain in the mix. I'm longing for that. The pancake is going down. Breakfast is ready for the fam bam. Breakfast. You want breakfast? Yes. What do you want for breakfast? Pancake. You want pancake? Yes. But you have toast in your hand. You still want a pancake? He's in love with pancake. You guys, we found out yesterday that we have enough space to get stools for the around the kitchen counter. Look. Wow, good job. Look. There's chocolate on it. So I think we're just gonna get probably like 3. Maybe 2 along here and 1 along here, but I'm not sure as yet. But we definitely have space to accommodate stools around this counter, so I think we're gonna do that. But anyway, breakfast is ready and husband should be hungry. You hungry? Why am I seeing you underwear though? Mama! Mama!
Because my face is sick.
Mama! You don't look sick. Mama. You look pink. You look red. Mama! Yes, Stella? Pancake and plantain. Okay, alright. Let's eat. We have been working on projects all darn day. All day we've been working on projects. Let me show you guys a little peek of what we've been working on all day, all morning. And I still have so many things to do. If you look around there, then you'll see that we got some of the closets up on the wall. We got this closet around here, and this one doesn't fit perfectly. Some of the boards missing, so of course your girl going to do a little DIY and get this one correct. But for today, I'm just gonna leave it at that and give it a little vision to see how it's gonna turn out. So that's that. And then the fridge, the big fridge, is going to come around and fit somewhere within this space, whether over here or over there. But anyway, it will all come together when it come together. So that's what's up. Tyler has been busy helping us until he said, Mama, I need a break. He lay down in the couch and he literally fell asleep. So he's actually taking a nap right now. And I am hungry. So I'm gonna look some food for the fam, as they'll have a bunch of stuff left to do, and it's early afternoon. The time is ticking. Anyway, you guys, I hope you guys are having a good day. Hope you guys stay loved and stay blessed and stay motivated. Do you have anything to say to the fave, babe?
I'm a ghost, white and white. Sunday, West Sunday.
Rest Sunday?
Yeah, that's
where's
one.
the rest?
I don't know where's the West. I'm asking where's the West. There should be West. But yeah, that's things that need to be done. Gonna be done today. And yeah, so sometimes you also have to take weekends, I'm gonna say, to do this work, because I'm not gonna take a day off. That's the only time we're gonna... Can't take a day off. I have something else to do with my day off.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Anyway, you guys, we're gonna hunt food right now. You guys, can you tell that I enjoy using this oven? I'm making a quiche that I picked up at the supermarket, a frozen quiche, and some nibs is in there warming. So lunch is on its way. What do you want to tell Faves? Don't go too close. You want to show them this one and this one?
Yeah.
I showed them already. Alright, go and sit. It soon be ready, okay? Lunch for the farm right now. Looks so good. I finally got around to dinner. It's now almost 6 o'clock, so it's a good dinner time. And I'm in my favorite place, the kitchen. And dinner tonight, I am making salmon. And the salmon made me realize how much I can't wait to get this backsplash, because this white is about to go crazy with this fish right now. So I'm making salmon. I'm making corn, which I'll turn off right now. And over here, as you guys can see through here, I'm making quinoa. So that's dinner for tonight. Quinoa, salmon, and corn. And baby's over there doing laundry, picking up as usual. Forever be doing laundry. What are you doing?
Packing my toys.
You're packing up your toys?
Yeah.
Very good. And then you put your shoes where they're supposed to go, okay? And that pants on the floor, where are you gonna put it?
The bucket.
Very good. Good boy. Good job. Keep on. He's packing up his toys because it's almost dinner time and his room is a mess. So his toys need to get organized first. Alright, you guys, and now everybody's happy. Dinner time. Tyler is already sitting in his chair. He's so ready. Can you tell? I'm still here working. Still here, haven't finished my day. and I still have more things to get done because this natty is washing tonight. This natty is washing tonight. That's a must. I'm going to put Tyler to bed in a bit, and he's going to get a bath and wash his hair before bed. And yeah, and then I'm just gonna come back and end the vlog really because I'm tired. Let me see who is going to get the notification shout out for tonight, and let Tyler do a quick notification shout out as he's here. Goes to Ava Emar. Say thanks for watching, Ava. We love you.
Thanks for watching, Ava. We love you.
He's doing his puzzle, so he's so wanting to go back to his puzzle. Yes, Tyler?
Play with Papa.
Okay, are you having fun? Are you having fun?
Yes.
Awesome. Alright, when you finish that, you go get ready for a bath, okay?
Okay.
Tell the fifth night night.
Night.
See you guys.
Tomorrow.
Hey guys.
You guys, babe get all the worst of my feels.
Oh, it's a cough.
You know why? I'm gonna tell them the
Dry.
truth. The truth
What
is,
is the truth?
he doesn't want to take the honey and the lemon like shots that Tyler
I
and I
do.
have been taking. Yes, but not as often as Tyler and I take it.
I like it whenever you give it to me. I'll take
Yeah,
it.
but I don't need to give it to you for you to take it. It's in the fridge. Anyway, you guys, before we go ahead and give you guys a Jamaican expression, we are going to do a little Dear Pastor discussion tonight. I realize that you guys love the Dear Pastor discussion that we did twice, so we're gonna do it again. And today, Dear Pastor says, Dear Pastor, I am a soldier in the Jamaica Defense Force. I am 25 years old. I am one of your biggest fans. I was incarcerated for 3 months right now. I love this girl and I got into some trouble with the law recently. I am free now, but while I was locked up, here's the juicy part. I sent her to school. I paid for everything, and after she graduated, she got a job immediately overseas. I also paid for that trip. Now she's abroad, and it's been almost 2 months and 2 weeks, and I haven't heard from her. But when I private my number and call her, she answered and told me I should grow up. Pastor, all I did was to show this girl that I love her, and all she's doing is hurt me. I am not perfect, but I try. She's not working, and she has a son right now. I feel like hurting her physically. I need your help urgently. No, y'all.
You choose this topic?
I choose it because it's juicy.
It's not.
She a wicked girl.
Oh, she playing.
There goes my Jamaican expression for today. Wicked girl. She wicked.
She played him.
Oh gosh, I feel bad for
hurting.
him.
Oh yeah, if it hurts.
You guys, what do you think about that girl? I don't have any good words to say. One, she played him, I think because he's kind of young, 25. Even though I got married at 25, I was matured very early. So 25 is a 25 is a good enough age for you to know.
You're not 17 or 18.
Exactly.
You have some, especially if the man says like a soldier.
Yeah, he was in the army, but then he got in trouble.
Yeah, he
I
got in
wonder what he
trouble,
did.
But he's
Vulnerable. His problem is he turned his eye to the red flag from day one, because there must have been signs from early that she was playing him, and also maybe there wasn't any sign. Maybe she had her intentions and she knew what she wanted out of him, so she played him until this point.
No, I hope he play her too.
Well, he doesn't have a chance to do that anymore.
He doesn't
She
have
blocked
a
him.
chance.
She shutting him
But
out.
I hope he did.
He sound like a really You sound like a nice guy, apart from you sound like a bad guy too, because
prison and all those things. But no, well, I won't say any advice. I'm not a advisor, but like the woman said, grow up in terms of move on.
yeah, but when she's telling him to grow up, she's not, well,
Yeah, forget me.
that's what she's telling him to do.
Yeah, move on. Like,
I would have moved on.
yeah, you don't have to.
2.5 months, and I don't hear from you.
Right, it's hurting. I hope you don't
find
send
out.
any things now. Just okay, she paid you.
She's to just leave him.
Right, remember it. Like, don't do the same mistake. Remember it. You might have a big hurt. You might be a golden hurt, and the next girl, like, she destroy you, and
Yeah,
she.
but he can't use one fat and fry everybody. He can't use that one girl and judge every girl.
No, but just be careful. Maybe somebody was ready to give his hurt and he won't give it, or he will protect himself. And yeah, but
I see what you mean.
I mean,
But the girl,
no, you have to move on. You have to.
I would have moved on.
Move on.
I would have stopped call her. I would have just learned from it. It would hurt and it would take a while.
Oh yeah, it will.
But girl, no fit tappy, you know? No fit tappy, you're not too wicked. No fit tappy. Tappy.
No, it's forget. Just.
Why some women are like that though? That's not nice. Oh gosh, he paid for school, he paid for the trip, through it all, and you just go overseas and cut off the man. That's why a lot of us go missing, and that's why a lot of us can't find real love and real men. Sorry to say that, but it's true.
Yeah, because I really think that if she wanted a man that loved her, he was the man. In terms
Yeah, regardless of he's
he
in
was the
prison,
man.
if she knew what she was getting herself in, so she shouldn't have played.
He was
like
the
that.
man, but now.
Anyway, you guys, comment down below and tell us what you guys think about this whole situation and this whole shebang. What's the French expression for today? I give you guys so many Jamaican expressions in that one piece just now.
I heard it this week. I don't remember where. It's pour du beurre, like
For the butter?
yeah, jouer pour du beurre. To play
with
for the butter.
butter.
No,
Play
for the butter.
Okay.
It simply means like to play for nothing. When you like you play with somebody and say for what we play, say we play for butter.
Okay.
Like we don't
Play to gain anything.
Yeah, there's no
reward at the end.
right.
Of it.
It's just
Okay.
jouer pour du beurre.
Jouer pour du beurre.
Yeah.
Hey. Anyway, you guys, there you have our little dear pasta on our Jamaican and French expression for today.
You don't let me tell. Is wicked.
Wicked girl.
Wicked. Oh, you wicked
I said so many
You're
of them
wicked
through.
girl.
So you are wicked girl.
Oh, you're a wicked girl.
Anyway, you guys.
True. You wanted me not to say the Jamaican expression. You're so wicked. You're so wicked.
Really, babe?
Yeah.
You're hilarious. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new. Catch up and keep up with Fam Bam, and please, you guys turn on your notification. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we will see you guys tomorrow.